the palm place is near here. Here.
You say you want me, you better want me now. You got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now. Cause I'll be running out of here. If I'm running, then I'm running for the truth. What am I supposed?
Kung nagtataka kayo kung sino yung nag-take ng video ko at kung meron akong drone, no, eto po siya. Siya po yung kumuha ng video ko tsaka yung picture. Anong pangalan mo, kuya?
Neil po.
Neil, ayan. Pag pumunta kayo ng Siargao, hanapin nyo si Neil para magkaroon kayo ng magandang picture kahit wala kayong drone. Yan, di ba? Di ba, Neil?
Opo,
Oh,
ma'am.
di ba? Tapos, kayo nang bahalang magbigay sa kanya mula sa puso daw, di ba?
Oo.
Thank you, Neil.
Sige po, ma'am. Salamat po.
Bye-bye. We are now here in Maasim River. Ito pala yung napuntahan namin when we were on our way to Magpupungko. Ayun yung store. I didn't realize that we actually passed the Maasim River. I'll show you. This is what we're going to do. Ayan. That's the Maasim River right there. Ayun yung bent na ano coconut is there. So, yeah. Let's go. Or antayin muna natin yung mga friends ko. Ganda dito. I'm going to try to ride this one. So I think magbabayad pa tayo ng entrance fee. That's the rate right there. Entrance fee is 20, boat 550 per 3 tax. Pamborang is 20, Crystal Kayak is 200. I think we're going to register our name also right there.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Maasin River po. Good morning.
Good morning! We're done paying the entrance fee and then I also paid for the raft, bamboo raft para lang mag-picture, and then later on we're gonna ride the bangka to go to this place. Mayroon ng spring doon banda. I'll show you the Anuma River itself from down here.
Doon lang tayo magbangka sa ano?
Ayun siya.
Doon ka napito lang na. Kaya na po ba alam magbigay na. Pagpagod lang tayo dito po.
Ganda pala dito sa Maasim, mga chinggo. Tapos sabi ni ate, may ibang way dito tayo kasi mas maganda daw. Diba? Wow, nature, nature. Mamaya, sasakay kami ng bangka. Wow! Here we are. Yung videographer niyo, si ate Susan. Susan. Siya yung mapipicture sa amin sa raft. And then, siya rin nag-take ng video ko. Kung ano, pupunta kayo dito, hanapin niyo si Ate Susan.
Susan, type.
Kay Susan tayo. Di ba?
Yes.
Eh, nanalo ka ba sa kampanya?
Hindi po.
Palisin mo na yung tao sa likod. Para mas maganda yung ma'am.
So, So we're going to take a picture there. Tayo din dito. Sana pala kanina maaga na pumasok na kami. Kasi inantay ko pa yung mga friends ko. Kaya ngayon, dami ng tao. That's okay.
You've been on my mind lately. I tell you all the time.
Gusto tayong mag-picture taking for now. Ngayon naman, sasakay tayo ng bangka. Pupunta tayo. There's parang it's a 15 minutes ride going over there. Tapos, meron daw dong parang spring yata. The water is really cold. It's really very refreshing. We're done paying for the bangka. It's $5.50 for 3 packs. Pero, dalawa lang kami sasakay sa bangka. Kasi yung mga kasama ko, tama sila 5. So, dalawang bangka din sila. Yay! I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna swim later on. Wow, look at the color. Ang ganda.
20 per person.
Super nice.
Ito ba yung tatanan?
So we're waiting for our bangka ride. Ooh. So we are now currently cruising the river with this bangka. Ayan. Ganda dito, guys. If you're going to Siargao, you definitely don't want to miss the bangka ride in the Maasin River. Ang ganda talaga dito, as in, I super love it. The water is really cold. So, ang mama, di ka ba mulangoy?
Hindi pa magpatodlo.
Ayaw din magpaturo. Bakit kaya? Agoy! Swerte ka, Shob! Ako ni sakay de, Shob! Hi, Ber! Hi, Shot! Bye, Pride! This place is very, very beautiful. Napaka-relaxing. And then, on top of that, ang lamig ng water, it's very refreshing and napakalinaw. Look. Look at that. Sobrang linaw ng water. Ano?
Why pollution na rin?
Yeah, look at the water.
We're racing.
Honey.
Hintay ko ng bicycle. Love you.
Love you too. Hi, can you stop?
Sure.
Hi! Hi, doggies! Oh, so cute! Hi! Oh, you're so wet. No, they're all for me. Ang cute din na. Uy, ikaw sa itong lasang magitan.
Siguro.
No, pero na, di ba maulaw to siya, nakabandana ang
Ay, mami nila,
umami nila. Eh, ang sila baligya.
Billy. Perfect lang ka lang.
Hi!
Bye!
Hi, thank you. We're here in Cloud9 right now. It's a very famous boardwalk. Alam ko, your Siargao trip won't be complete if hindi ka magsasurf. Gusto ko sanang mag-surf but unfortunately, hindi po pwede because I have my period. And for me kasi parang bawal ako mapagod lalo na if I have my period, and it's actually the second day of my period pa talaga. Supposed to be yesterday yata yun. Supposed to be talaga yesterday or the other day. Tapos nagkaroon ako bigla. So, I guess I'm gonna have to do it on my next trip. Diba? May babalikin tayo dito sa Siargao.
La da 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 da. I don't wanna feel this, 'cause it feels like way too hard.
Just gonna hang out here at the boardwalk and wait for the sunset. I think malayo pa yung sunset and it's over there. The sun's over there. Gulo ng hair ko. Ayan. So, dito lang kami chill-chill while waiting for dinner. Sunset. That's Siargao. Love Siargao. Look at his shirt. It says Siargao. That sums up our Siargao trip. We will definitely come back here. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get updated with my next vlog. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye! Sarang ya, Chingo!